Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to show you how to make succulent buttery garlic shrimp. It's so easy, you're going to love it. And to start with, we're gonna peel the shrimp first and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really easy. I don't leave the tail on, I just remove it because it's easier to eat the shrimp. So basically, I bought this pre-deveined shrimp and it's just really easy to peel the shrimp. And then just gently tug it like that. And like so. Loosen it up here and then it will be easier. Just pull gently. Ta-da! See, you're not gonna leave this precious meat here in your tail. So I don't understand why some recipes advise you to leave the tail on because it's not practical to eat like that. Okay, here's the last one and we'll start cooking this beautiful shrimp. Ta-da! Let's get cooking. We'll start with medium to low heat because we're going to melt half of the butter first and then we'll slowly melt the butter and infuse the butter with garlic. And we don't want to burn the garlic, so it's very important to keep the heat low. Once most of the butter is melted, add garlic and then we'll cook the garlic until fragrant 1 to 2 minutes and then we'll add the shrimp to cook. Shrimp doesn't take a long time to cook, it will just take a minute. So right now I'm infusing butter with garlic. We need to keep the heat really low so that we don't burn the garlic. We don't want to burn the garlic because otherwise you will get the bitter taste and nobody wants that. It starts smelling really delicious, so I'm going to add the shrimp, everything in one layer. And we don't want to disturb them. Once the shrimp turns opaque and a little pink, we'll go ahead and turn on the other side and cook it for another minute or minute and a half. And if you need to, you can turn the heat down a little bit. Taking it off, give it a light salt. And you can add parsley, fresh parsley too. So shrimp is ready, beautiful, buttery, smells amazing. And now just serve it with some noodles and your delicious dinner is ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.